First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh.
Welcome back to the Rohan Aru's Xplore Mindz podcast. As your educator, I know you are laser focused on your SPM and STPM grades. But today, we need to look beyond the scores. Here's the truth. A perfect academic transcript gets you noticed, but your soft skills get you accepted. Universities, especially globally competitive ones, want well-rounded contributors, not just robots who memorize facts. Today, we break down the hidden criteria. This is beyond academics, the essential soft skills universities look for. The application form, the personal essay, the interview. These are all designed to uncover three specific things that your A+ in maths cannot show. First one, critical thinking and problem solving. Can you analyze complex issues, consider different sides and propose solutions? Admission officers want to know you can contribute to complex discussion in a lecture hall. The next one, leadership and initiative. This doesn't mean that you have to be head prefect. It means you saw a problem and took the initiative to fix it, whether that was organizing a small study group or creating an online resource for your class. They look for evidence that you act rather than wait. The last one, communication and collaboration. University is a team sport. They need the assurance that you can clearly articulate your ideas, listen actively, and work respectfully in a group project. Poor communication skill means a higher chance of dropping out or failing group modules. These three skills are the foundation of future professional success, and universities are testing for them now. You don't need to fly halfway around the world to develop this. You can do it right here. For problem solving, next time you have a major assignment, don't just ask the teacher for the answer. Ask, what is the hardest part of this assignment and what are 3 ways I could approach it? Practice strategizing before acting. The next one, for initiative, I mean leadership. If your class chat group is chaotic and unhelpful, don't leave it. Take the initiative to create a structured, smaller side group with clear rules and dedicated study times. We have just demonstrated leadership in organization and structure. For collaboration, get involved with your school debates team. Okay, a model UN or a community project. These activities force you to collaborate, compromise, and communicate with diverse viewpoints. They provide the perfect anecdotal evidence for your university essay. The final hurdle is the interview or the personal essay. You need to articulate the soft skill using the STAR method, STAR. S for situation, briefly describe the setting. Our school debate team had no funding for travel. Then T, task. Describe your goal. Example, I needed to raise RM 500 within 1 month. Then A for action. Detail the specific steps you took, such as I organized a bag sale, created a social media flyer, and delegated tasks to 3 teammates. The last one is R for result. Explain the outcome. We raised RM 750 and traveled to the competition and won Best Teamwork Award. A university panel doesn't care about the bag sale. They care about the leadership, initiative, and problem solving you demonstrated in the process. Your future success is a holistic equation. Grades plus soft skills. Don't wait until universities to start building these essential traits. Start today by taking initiative in your own study groups or community. Thank you for tuning into the Rohan again. Thank you for tuning in to the Rohan Aru's The Xplore Mindz podcast. Remember, Xplore Mindz Academy is here to give you the complete blueprint. Next week, we turn our attention to parents with Parents Guide How to Support Your Child's Academic Journey Without Micromanaging. Don't miss it. Until then, keep exploring your potential.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range. Oh, a brand new range. Oh. Second thing, second doom, cities green and bright.